The job of Arjun plugin is to basically find leads to grow my consulting business. Auto applies to jobs on LinkedIn. For every job, it writes a custom cover letter. Use this plugin, the Arjun Armies agent, to automate your lead flow. This will get you as much leads as you want for free. Hey guys, so this week we built a lot of stuff. So I will take you through everything one by one. The first plugin that I built, it's a LinkedIn plugin. I call it Arjun. Basically, Arjun is the character in Mahabharat. So the job of Arjun plugin is to basically find me like leads to grow my consulting business. So like I have been building a lot of AI agents, a lot of stuff around AI automation stuff using Claude and specifically focusing towards AI. So I thought that, okay, I can also consult companies which are looking for AI engineers. So now again, how I do this at scale and how I automate this is what I have built here, and I'm gonna show you. So basically I've built a plugin. It's a clone plugin which basically auto applies to jobs on LinkedIn with the keyword AI engineer. So basically all the remote jobs. So I've selected the remote jobs and I've searched with the keyword AI engineer in US. You can apply this in multiple countries also. First thing that you need to do is scrape all the jobs and put it in the database. So I will just do that. Here you can see we have started scraping. Now you can see the number of jobs captured is increasing. It was 3, it is 4. Between 1 to 3 seconds it will wait. A random time it will click. So here you can see it is clicking all the jobs one by one. So what is happening is when it clicks on the job data goes to a database, and then I have written a Hermes agent which basically applies for these jobs. So basically Arjun also has a backend automation coded in Hermes, which is again powered by Claude Opus as the LLM. So Hermes knows about me, it knows about the projects that I have written, it has access to my GitHub. Arjun will basically, for every job, it writes a custom cover letter, and if some tweaks are needed to my resume, it automates that as well. So we'll see like how the job applications work. It will basically fire a Chromium and control it with Playwright and apply to these jobs, and you can just sit and relax, drink coffee while it applies to 100 jobs, all automated. So we'll see it now. So as you can see here, it has applied to 99 jobs. So basically the script is hard coded to hard stop at 100. Otherwise LinkedIn might block us. Also, don't use this plugin on your personal LinkedIn account. I would advise against it. Use it in a throwaway LinkedIn, like create a fake LinkedIn account or a random LinkedIn account and use there, so that even if LinkedIn blocks us for scraping, we are okay. So every day, all I do is like spend 5 minutes to automatically scrape 100 jobs, and I can do more. Like even like I have tested up to 700 jobs in a day. You can do up to 1000 jobs. So the idea here is to apply to these jobs as a remote AI engineer, and then get into the interview process and explain them that I'm working from Bangalore and I'm a AI engineer. I'm not looking for a job per se because I'm already running 2 companies, but the idea is to get a consulting project which I can do with my team. And I have already successfully applied to more than 1000 jobs and have already got like 5 consulting assignments. Let me show you. So here you can see like all the successful job applications, and couple of them have already reached out to me. I have like spoken to the CTOs and VP of engineering, CEOs, and some of them needed full-time guys. So obviously like I was not a good fit, but some of them were okay to hire me and my team because they saw that I have already deployed something in production. These agents are already running my business, and this is exactly what they needed for their specific business use cases. So it's a very good way if you're running a consulting business like me. You can use this plugin and the Arjun Armies agent to automate your lead flow, and this will get you like easily as much leads as you want for free without spending anything on any outbound. These are specific companies who are looking for AI developers who have experience in building agents or agentic programming. So this is a sure shot way of landing those gigs and those consulting assignments, and basically building with them or building for them. So here you can see we have this Arjuna drain skill. The drain skill basically captures all the jobs which are already in the database and starts applying to them using Playwright and Opus as the LLM. So it is basically loading all the jobs that are in the Arjuna DB, and we will basically see now that it is applying to all the jobs. So here we can see there are 152 applicable pending jobs, and which has already applied to some 300 already. and now it is resume. This is the resume that it built, okay, for me. Again, everything is built by Claude. It's fully automated, running on complete automation. And Claude knows we are recording this reel because I told it to do everything like a headful Chromium engine. You can also run this headless with Playwright, and most of the ATS system won't block you. But for this reels purpose, we are doing it as a headful Chromium, so we can see that the job applications are actually being filed. Okay, so it has launched the automation. So as you can see, these are the browsers. They are automatically controlled by Claude. Yeah, so here you can see the service agent is automatically filling the form. So we don't have to do anything. Just wait for it to fill the form, upload your resume, and that's it. Like it will keep doing this for all the job applications one by one. I can record a couple of job application submissions for you just to show you that the system works. And again, this code is open source. You can download it from Build with Sumit's GitHub, configure it on your local machine. If you are a programmer, it's very easy. But if you're a founder who is looking to deploy something like this, basically this system can be deployed for any business. Like again, you can see on the screen, it is like automatically, filling the form. I'm not doing anything. Opus is driving this. So if you need this system for your business, it could be AI agent development, the consulting that I'm offering, but you can do this for anything like mobile application development, web development, or any kind of services that you provide. There are always companies in North America, Canada, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, like tier 1 geos. There are always companies who are looking for remote consultants. You can apply to those jobs, completely automated, and the system will take care of getting you these leads for free, like entirely free of cost.